Reviewing strangers' websites. This time I'm going to review fabriccoffeesleeves.com. Alright, just coffee sleeve, I guess. That's going to be sort of confusing because you got fabric coffee sleeves up here. That one letter difference can really mess with people. If you haven't bought the accompanying typo version with the S on it, I would do that and route it back to this one if you can. If not, just I don't know how you're gonna do that, but you gotta make it real clear that it's sleeve.com. Otherwise, this is a really nice looking website. All these pull in real nice. I usually don't like these sliders, but this is a real good show of different items here. Create your own sleeves. It pauses when I hover over it, and it has a little timer here, it looks like, for how long it's going to be there. And when you want to switch it, you can, so that's cool. I would recommend making these bigger. These are tiny, at least 12 font. Most people like 13 or 14 for their nav. There should be some sort of logo. It's plain here. I imagine you have some sort of logo that you could put there. The Norman Project, I don't really know what that means. The phone number, I hope, is for the company itself, but if it's for something else, I don't know what that is. That's just confusing. Login, I'm not entirely sure why I need to log in yet, I guess. But if you're shopping, you probably will have a login. Okay, so you have your steps here. That's good, but you should probably put a picture in there. Pick your fabric, put a little swatch of fabric, maybe a screenshot of the chooser. Step 2, pick your label, maybe same thing, picture of the label chooser, and get your sleeve. Maybe put a happy picture of a guy with a package delivering it, so that, but use some pictures there. This is a nice thing here to show all of these. Select options. This is real nice. Can't find the fabric you want, request now. That's perfect because a lot of people want to have different things, so go ahead and do that. Copyright, blah blah blah. Should do it with the copyright symbol. Update this to the 14. Put a privacy policy and terms of service in here. You have a shop. This is a little too close here. It should be indented a little bit. Pick your fabric. Okay. And then say we pick a fabric. So then we got step 2, pick your label. Okay. Cool. I don't know if I need related products right now. I'm choosing my current product, so I don't really need that right here. It's just adding to clutter, and it can divert people from finishing their purchase. Enter text here. Upload logo. Maybe put an or in there between them, or whatever. I don't know, this just looks disharmonized, but you probably don't have a choice about that with your cart. Okay, cart currently empty, return to shop, good. You know what though, perhaps if you don't have anything in your cart, maybe give them some options at that point. Be like, oh, but you might like these. Let's see, my account. Login, register, okay. About us. Click this a little bit.
Every second, 11 children die of hunger.
Oh, that's probably that. Okay. So you're using this to help hungry people, hungry kids. That's cool. I still think this should be more clear. Maybe a link or something that says every purchase helps the Norman Project, and then have a link to it. Your phone number can still stay there. Maybe put your business times in there in little brackets so people know when they can call you. This is really cool. That's really tiny text. Needs to be bigger, at least 12 font. Blog. Okay, so this blog's got some coffee stuff. Awesome. Inbound marketing. Good stuff. Instructables. Personally, you could try Etsy for different cool coffee stuff. You could try Instagram for that. Those are two other places you could take a look for interesting content to share about coffee cups. There are some plugins and tools you can get that look up specific subjects that are shareable on Facebook. Like, they have huge shares, and you can look it up by keyword. So what you can do is you could look for those posts and the YouTube videos that work with them and post that as content, because you already know people want to share it because it's got a huge share rate. So that's something else to look into. I don't quite remember the name of the tool right now, but I bet you can find it. Okay, every purchase donates 3 meals. That's awesome. There should be a link in here somewhere to more information. Because people, when they want to do that, they want more information. Perhaps also when you have that area, I don't really see anything up here about it. Maybe put this down here, or when you do your link thing. But definitely something, because it took a while going through your blog here to figure out, or I think it's the About Us page. Yeah, about the About Us page to figure out what that was all about. Also, some people may not want coffee sleeves, but they might want to donate. So try to give them some links to information so they could donate directly, or with a PayPal button donation. You can look at that if you want to add some extra help to that project. But otherwise, this website's pretty fantastic. I'd say the biggest issue is some images here and bigger text. That's about it. It's the only two outstanding things, apart from, well, and I guess the sleeve versus sleeves. Figure out something going on with that. But otherwise, good site, looks cool. I recommend taking a look at it.